the rainy season came. The water drops came into that hole. Slowly, this seed starts converting into the plant, which is there in the middle of the wall inside. Slowly, that small plant slowly growing, it will become a big tree. Once it is becoming a big tree, what will happen to the wall?
It will break.
What will happen to
It
the
will
wall?
break.
The wall is going to be break, and then this big tree is coming out. You saw multiple places, right? This type of thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. In the wall, the small tree is going to come, small plant, and then it will become bigger. Under this wall is going to be break. Okay, like. అరే ఏదో సీడ్ ఇబ్బంది పడుతుంది, దాన్ని రక్షిద్దాము. సో సీడ్ ఈస్ ఫీలింగ్ సంథింగ్, ఈజ్ సఫరింగ్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్, జస్ట్ టు సేవ్. వాల్ హెల్ప్డ్, బట్ ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? బ్రోకెన్, డిస్ట్రాయిడ్. కన్క్లూజన్ ఈస్, ఎవడో దరిద్రాన్ని నెత్తిన పెట్టుకోవద్దు. ఓకే, సో ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు టేక్ సమ్ అదర్ పర్సన్స్ బర్డెన్ ఆన్ యువర్ హెడ్, take care. Take care. You typed one statement in the chat box. Can you please read that statement, anyone? You typed one
Better a
statement in the
little
chat box.
caution. Better a little caution. Bitter.
Better.
Better a little caution than a great regret.
Than a great regret.
Yes.
Correct, right? కొంచెమన్నా ఆలోచించి, if you are going to think before helping, you can help. It doesn't mean you should not help the people. You should help. That help should not create a problem to you. That thing is very, very important.